In a quaint little village, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling brook, lived a sweet shepherdess named Mabel. Mabel had curly brown hair and a heart as warm as the sun. She loved to tend to her fluffy sheep and sing songs to them as they grazed. One cold, rainy day, Mabel was walking home from the meadows when she heard a pitiful cry. She followed the sound and found a little chimney sweep named Timmy shivering by a sooty chimney. "Hello, Timmy," said Mabel, her voice as gentle as a lullaby. "You look cold and dirty. Would you like to come home with me and have some warm soup?" Timmy's eyes lit up like the stars. "Really?" he asked, surprised. "I've never been invited anywhere before." Mabel nodded and led Timmy to her cozy cottage. She fed him a hearty bowl of soup, and he gobbled it up like a bird pecking at seeds. Afterward, she helped him clean his clothes and bathed him in a big tub of warm water. As they sat by the fire, Timmy told Mabel all about his life as a chimney sweep. He spoke of the long days and the sooty mess, but most of all, he spoke about his loneliness. Mabel listened attentively, her heart aching for the little boy. "You don't have to be alone, Timmy," she said. "You can come back to my house every day after work, and I'll make sure you're never lonely again." Timmy's eyes welled up with gratitude. "Thank you, Mabel," he whispered, snuggling into her embrace. "You're the kindest person I've ever met." From that day on, Timmy would come to Mabel's house every day after work. He would help her with her sheep and listen to her sing as they worked. And Mabel, in turn, would teach Timmy to read and write and laugh and play. One day, when Timmy was all grown up, he decided to leave the village to become a chimney sweep in the big city. But he never forgot the kindness Mabel had shown him, and he vowed to always help others in need just as she had helped him. Mabel continued to tend to her sheep and sing her songs, always with a warm heart and a smile. And whenever she heard a cry for help, she would open her door wide and let in anyone who needed a friend. The end.